Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that's crucial for your financial future. Achieving a perfect credit score and making $10,000 as a student. Yes, it's possible. So let's dive right in with our 10 steps. Step 1, understand credit basics. To get a perfect credit score, you first need to understand how credit works. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness. It's used by lenders to determine whether you're a risky borrower or not. It's calculated based on factors like payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and recent inquiries. Step 2, check your current credit score. Knowing your current credit score is the starting point. You can obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Your score may also be available through your bank or credit card provider. Understanding your score helps you see where you stand and what areas need improvement. Step 3, establish a credit history. Building a good credit history is essential. As a student, you can start by getting a student credit card or becoming an authorized user on a parent's card. Responsible use of credit cards and making timely payments can help establish your credit history. Step 4, pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is one of the most critical factors in your credit score. Late payments can harm your credit. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Step 5, keep your credit card balances low. High credit card balances relative to your credit limit can negatively impact your credit score. Try to keep your credit utilization, the percentage of your credit limit used, below 30%. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, aim to keep your balance below $300. Step 6, diversify your credit types. Lenders like to see a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts. As a student, you may have student loans, which contribute positively to your credit mix. Step 7, avoid opening too many new accounts. Opening multiple credit accounts in a short period can make you seem risky to lenders. Apply for new credit only when needed, and be mindful of the impact on your credit score. Step 8, review your credit report regularly. Your credit report contains a detailed history of your credit activity. Regularly reviewing it allows you to catch errors or fraudulent activity early. If you find any discrepancies, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Step 9, be patient and persistent. Building a perfect credit score takes time. It's essential to be patient and continue practicing responsible credit management. Your credit score will improve as you consistently follow these steps over time. Step 10, plan your financial goals. Shifting focus to making $10,000 as a student, it's vital to set clear financial goals. This could involve creating a budget, finding part-time jobs, applying for scholarships or grants, or even starting a side hustle. It's about managing your finances wisely to reach your financial targets. Remember, building a perfect credit score and making money as a student require discipline and time. But with these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial success.